Is your Honda CR-V key fob not working? Don't panic. The most frequent culprits are simple fixes. First, suspect the battery. CR-V fobs typically use a CR2032 battery, lasting 2 to 3 years. If the LED is dim or there's no response, replacement is needed. Pry open the fob, a small flat tool helps, replace the battery positive side up, and reassemble. This resolves about 60% of issues. If problems persist after a jump start or electrical issue, consider a body control module BCM reset. Disconnect the car battery for 15 to 30 minutes. For 2017-2023 models, intermittent failures are often due to BCM software glitches. Over-the-air OTA updates via Honda Sensing can sometimes fix this. Corrosion on fob contacts can also disrupt signals. Inspect and clean them. If a battery change doesn't solve the problem, the key fob might need to be relearned. For many CR-V models, insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the on position, and press the lock button on the fob. Repeat this process for all fobs you want to synchronize with the vehicle. If the CR-V has smart entry issues and the relearn process doesn't work, a smart entry reset might be required. More advanced resets often require an OBD2 scanner. Connect the scanner to the car and follow its instructions to reset the smart entry system. If these DIY steps fail, especially on older models, professional diagnostics are necessary. Dealership software, like Honda TechStream, can clear error codes such as B1175 for keyless entry faults and reprogram the BCM more effectively. Be cautious of cheap aftermarket batteries, as they can cause shorts.